Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you one very easy stitch. It can be used for all kinds of projects. I'm going to use two colors, white and pink. We don't have multiples here. You just have to chain any even number of chains. Here I'm going to chain 18. I'll just go ahead to make my chains. And then we'll start with row 1. Here my chains. Now row 1, we're going to start working from the second chain from the hook, and the row is very easy. We just have to make one single crochet in each chain. Okay, continue until you reach the end of your row. And here is row 1. If you enjoy my tutorials, you can check some of my written patterns. I'll put links down below in the description. Now let's move to row 2, chain 1 and turn. Start from the very first stitch right below the chain and make one single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and make one single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, one single crochet in the stitch next to it, chain 1, skip one stitch, one single crochet in the next. And these are the steps, just repeat them to the end of the row. And when you reach the end, the last single crochet should be here in the last stitch. Before we finish the single crochet, I'm going to change the color. And this is row 2. From here we're going to start with row 3. For row 3, chain 3 and turn. We're going to work in the little chain spaces we created with the chain 1. Here, 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 between the single crochets. We need to make 3 double crochets finished together. So make double crochet but don't finish it like usual. Just leave it like this, then go into the same chain space, make another one the same way, and one more. And when you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them and chain 1. Move on to the next chain space with the same steps. Yarn over, go into the chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Don't finish the double crochet, leave it this way and make 2 more. When you're ready, yarn over, pull through all loops and chain 1. And you have to repeat this in each of these small chain spaces. Okay, let's make another one together. 1, 2 double crochets, 1 more, yarn over, pull through all loops and chain 1. And this is how it's looking. So make one of these in each chain space and I'll wait for you at the end of the row. When you reach the last chain space, make the usual 3 double crochets finished together, and after that don't make chain 1, just go into the last stitch here, it should be visible, and make 1 double crochet. And with that the row is finished. Now row 4, chain 1, we continue with the same color and turn. Start from the very first stitch right here below the chain, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet here in the chain space, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the chain space, 1 in the next stitch, 1 in the chain space. And the last single crochet should be here in the chain stitch at the end. For row 5 we're going to change the colors again, so I'm just going back here and I'll finish this single crochet with the white yarn, and chain 1 and turn. Make 1 single crochet here in the very first stitch, then yarn over, we're going to make 1 front post double crochet around the middle double crochet here below. So yarn over, go behind the middle stitch like this, take the yarn, pull up a loop, then yarn over and make a regular double crochet like this. On the back, skip 1 stitch here and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then yarn over and make 1 front post double crochet around the next middle stitch. Skip 1 stitch on the back here and 1 single crochet in the next one. And these are the steps of this row. You have to just alternate between single crochet, 1 front post double crochet, skip 1 stitch, and again single crochet. After the single crochet, 1 front post here, skip 1 stitch on the back and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And when you reach the end of the row, make 1 single crochet in the very last stitch right here. Now row 6, chain 1 and turn. Start from the very first stitch, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go into the next, make another single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go into the next, 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, go into the next, 1 single crochet, and repeat until the end of the row. And when you reach the end, make 1 single crochet at the last stitch, and you are done with this row. This is the back side of the stitch, and this is how it's looking on the front. From now you have to repeat from rows 3 to 6, and you have to change colors each 2 rows. So for example, now you have to change back to pink and to follow the steps in row 3, which were we were doing these clusters here of double crochets. They just have to go here between between the single crochets into these chain spaces. And this is the stitch, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.